Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage software updates with Microsoft Beginner Guide step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your computer and logging into your Windows account. Click on the Start menu located in the bottom left corner of the screen. From the Start menu, select the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the Settings window, choose Update and Security. Once in the Update and Security section, click on Windows Update in the sidebar. You will see the option to check for updates. Click the Check for Updates button. Windows will search for any available updates for your system. If updates are found, they will be automatically downloaded. You may need to wait briefly for the download to complete. Once downloaded, click on Install Now to begin the installation process. During installation, your computer may restart several times. After installation, you will see a confirmation that your updates were successful. If no updates are available, you will see a message stating your device is up to date. To schedule updates, go back to the Windows Update section. Click on Change Active Hours to set your preferred update times. This feature allows you to set hours when updates won't disrupt your work. You can also choose to pause updates for a temporary period. In the Windows Update section, click on Pause Updates for 7 days. If needed, you can adjust this setting later to resume updates. For advanced options, click on Advanced Options under Windows Update. Here, you can see optional updates and other settings. Review the options to customize how updates are delivered. Ensure that your device has sufficient storage for updates. If prompted, remove any unnecessary files to free up space. Lastly, consider enabling automatic updates for convenience. With these settings in place, you'll efficiently manage software updates on your Microsoft. Regular updates help keep your system secure and running smoothly. Check for updates periodically to stay informed on new features and fixes. Now, you're equipped to manage your software updates effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.